morning. Today at the School of Mines in Rapid City, the South Dakota Supreme Court heard the case of Amanda Hernandez of Wagner.
On August 14th of 2019, her 3-year-old daughter was found dead in her home. An autopsy determined the death of the 3-year-old girl was the result of physical abuse. Police arrested Hernandez and charged her with second-degree murder.
Now, this case revolves around whether or not an expert witness for the defense should be allowed to testify.
May it please the court?
The South Dakota Supreme Court heard arguments this morning from Timothy Whalen, representing Amanda Hernandez, and Deputy Attorney General for South Dakota, Sarah Thorne. The issue before the Supreme Court involves an expert witness. The attorney for Hernandez wants an expert to testify that a 10-year-old friend staying at the home had the capacity to kill the 3-year-old when the kids were unsupervised.
He can say, because there's science out there that says this is something that needs to be explained to the jury, the trial court properly looked at it and said, this is a concept that needs to be understood. Domestic violence and how it affects a young boy or a young child. And the science is there.
The state says there is no evidence to suggest the 10-year-old had anything to do with the little girl's death, and the expert testimony should not be allowed to suggest that he did.
This is a psychologist's theory that was manifested in order to connect some alleged other acts to this victim or to this crime. And in fact, the expert's testimony, as well as the other acts that the expert is relying on, do not show any connection.
The High Court is being asked to decide if the expert should be allowed to testify. They will consider the arguments they heard today and announce their ruling at a later date. This week, the justices are on the road, giving people in other cities a chance to attend the proceedings in person. You can read more about the case and watch the full arguments in a KELOLAND.com original report. We'll take a closer look at another case before the High Court coming up new at 6.